Octopuses are weird. They are called the alien minds of the ocean, a ghost made of flesh, and it has 3 hearts. An octopus can look like coral, or seaweed, or a pile of rocks. Once an octopus solves a problem, it solves it faster next time. The octopus edits its RNA after it is made, and when octopuses reproduce, their lives end. Today, octopuses face new threats: warmer oceans, pollution, overfishing. If they disappear, we lose more than an animal. We lose proof that intelligence can take many forms. Far below the surface, where sunlight fades and pressure grows heavy, there is a world that follows different rules. A world where soft bodies survive without bones, where color moves like thought, where intelligence does not live in one place, but everywhere at once. In this world lives the octopus. The octopus does not look like other animals, it does not move like other animals, and it does not think like other animals. It is one of the strangest minds ever shaped by life on Earth. Now, let's deep dive into octopus in terms of acts. Act 1. The ghost in the machine. An octopus has no bones, no spine, no ribs, no skeleton at all. Its body is made almost completely of muscle, soft muscle, flexible muscle, muscle that can bend, stretch, twist, and squeeze into shapes that seem impossible. Because it has no bones, the octopus can change its shape at will. It can flatten itself into a thin sheet. It can stretch long and narrow. It can curl tight into a ball. If the hardest part of its body can pass through a space, the rest will follow. That hardest part is the beak. The beak sits at the center of the octopus, where all 8 arms meet. It is sharp and curved, like the beak of a bird. It is the only solid part of the octopus's body. The beak can crack shells. It can pierce flesh. It can inject venom. Once prey is caught, the octopus uses its beak to drill or bite, then releases chemicals that break the food down into liquid. The octopus does not chew. It drinks its meal. Inside the octopus are 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood through the gills, where oxygen is taken from the water. The 3rd heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. But this blood is not red, it is blue. Human blood uses iron to carry oxygen. Iron turns red when it meets oxygen. Octopus blood uses copper instead. Copper turns blue when it binds to oxygen. This blue blood works better in cold water and in places where oxygen is low. That is why octopuses can live deep in the ocean, where many animals would suffocate. But this system has a cost. When an octopus swims fast, its main heart slows down. Swimming takes too much energy, so most octopuses do not swim unless they must. Instead, they crawl, they glide. They move quietly along rocks and sand. They avoid being noticed. The octopus has large eyes, shaped like a camera. They can see clearly in low light. Unlike human eyes, octopus eyes do not have a blind spot. Light reaches their sensors directly. But vision is only part of how an octopus knows the world. The octopus has a brain, but it does not have just one. About 2/3 of all the octopus's neurons are not in its head, they are in its arms. Each arm contains a large cluster of nerve cells. This means each arm can sense, react, and move on its own. One arm can explore a hole, another can hold on to a rock, another can open a shell, all at the same time. The central brain sets the goal. The arms handle the details. This is called distributed intelligence. The octopus does not think from one center. Its thinking is spread across its body. Each sucker on the arms can taste. When an octopus touches something, it knows what it's made of. Food, stone, shell, danger, all are known through touch. The octopus does not reach blindly. It explores with purpose. It feels the world before it sees it. This makes the octopus more than a soft animal. It makes it a thinking system made of muscle, a living machine without gears, a ghost made of flesh. Act 2. The Master of Illusion. The skin of an octopus is not just a cover, it is a tool, it is a language, it is a weapon. Under the skin are thousands of tiny color cells called chromatophores. Each chromatophore holds pigment, red, brown, yellow, or black. Tiny muscles pull these cells open and closed. When they open, color spread across the skin. When they close, the color fades. This happens very fast, in less than a second. Below the chromatophores are iridophores. These cells do not use pigment. They reflect light. They bend light. They create shining blues, greens, and silvers. These colors are not painted. They are made by physics. Below them are leucophores. They reflect light in all directions. They help the octopus match bright sand or pale rock. Together, these layers let the octopus change color, brightness, and shine in an instant. But color is only part of the trick. The octopus can also change texture. Its skin has small muscles that raise bumps and spikes. Its skin can become rough like stone or smooth like glass. An octopus can look like coral or seaweed or a pile of rocks. It does not just hide, it becomes the background. Predators look straight at it and see nothing. The octopus does not vanish from sight, it vanishes from thought. Some octopuses use their skin to send messages. Dark colors mean danger, bright flashes mean fear or warning, slow pulses mean calm. This is silent communication. No sound, only light and movement. The octopus controls its skin the way humans control their face. Every change is deliberate. This is not decoration. This is survival. Act 3. The Hunter and the Architect. The octopus is not only good at hiding, it is also good at thinking. Give an octopus a closed jar with food inside. It does not attack it wildly. It touches the lid, it turns it, it tests the edges. Then it opens the jar. Octopuses can solve mazes. They remember paths. They learn which shapes bring food and which shapes do not. They can learn by watching. They can remember solutions. Once an octopus solves a problem, it solves it faster next time. This is learning. Some octopuses use tools. In some parts of the ocean, octopuses collect coconut shells left behind by humans. They carry the shells across the seafloor. When danger comes, they hide inside them. This means the octopus understands the future. It knows danger may come later. It prepares. That is rare in animals. Octopuses in aquariums often escape. They open lids, they crawl across floors, they enter other tanks to eat fish. Some return to their tanks before morning. This is not instinct. This is problem solving. When hunting, the octopus plans. It watches prey, it waits, it strikes when escape is least likely. It uses venom to stop prey quickly. It uses arms to control every movement. The octopus is a hunter that thinks before it acts. Act 4. The Deep Mystery. When scientists studied the octopus genome, they found something strange. The octopus has many genes linked to the brain and nerves, more than expected. But it did not get this complexity the same way humans did. Instead of copying large parts of its DNA, the octopus edits its RNA. RNA is the message copied from DNA to build proteins. In most animals, RNA is copied exactly. In octopuses, it is changed. The octopus edits its RNA after it is made. This lets it change how proteins work without changing DNA. This is very rare. It allows the octopus to adjust its brain to temperature. Cold water slows nerves. RNA editing can speed them back up. The octopus can adapt within its own lifetime. It does not wait for evolution. This is one reason scientists say octopus intelligence feels alien. It did not follow the same path as ours. It evolved alone. It evolved differently. And yet, it arrived at intelligence.
This tells us something important. Intelligence does not have one shape. Act 5. The tragic hero. Octopuses do not live long. Most live 1 to 5 years, and when they reproduce, their lives end. For males, mating follows decline. They stop eating, they grow weak, and they die soon after. For females, the end is slower. After mating, the female lays thousands of eggs in a den. She guards them day and night. She cleans them. She moves water over them. She protects them. She does not eat. A gland in her brain releases chemicals that shut her body down. Even if food is nearby, she ignores it. Her body wastes away. When the eggs hatch, the babies drift away alone. The mother dies. This is not an accident. This is evolution's rule. Adult octopuses would compete with their young. By dying, the parent gives the next generation a chance. It is a full sacrifice. Act 6. The Kraken's legacy. For thousands of years, sailors feared creatures with many arms. They told stories of the Kraken. Those stories came from fear of the unknown, but the truth is quieter. The octopus is not a monster. It is a different kind of mind. It shows us that intelligence does not need language. It does not need cities. It does not need long lives. It can exist in silence, in darkness, in soft flesh. Today, octopuses face new threats: warmer oceans, pollution, overfishing. If they disappear, we lose more than an animal. We lose proof that intelligence can.
In the future, we might think, somewhere in the deep ocean, an octopus moves across the seafloor. It thinks, it learns, it hides, and then it is gone. No memory, no story, no trace. Now only a question left behind. How many minds like this has the universe already created and forgotten?